Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English. I'm Sarah and today we are learning something very important. How to introduce yourself in English. Don't worry. You don't need big sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. You need simple English and confidence. The common fear. Many people tell me, when someone says, introduce yourself, my mind goes blank. If this happens to you, relax. It happens because you try to memorize instead of speaking naturally. Today I'll show you an easy way. Step 1. Say your name. Start with your name. That's it. You can say, hi, my name is Sarah. Or, hello, I'm Sarah. Say it slowly. Say it clearly. Your name is your confidence. Step 2. Say what you do. Now add one small line about yourself. For example, I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in an office. I'm learning English. Choose only one sentence. Step 3. Add one extra detail. If you want, add one more simple detail. I'm from India. I live in Mumbai. I'm here to learn English. Remember, one extra line is enough. Full introduction examples. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a teacher. I'm learning new skills. Another example. Hello, I'm Sarah. I'm from India and I'm learning English. Short, clear, confident. What not to do. Don't speak fast. Don't use difficult words. Don't tell your full life story. English introductions are not exams. They are conversations. Practice with me. Now say it with me. Pause for a moment and say, hi, I'm. Say it again. Loud. Your brain learns by speaking. Final motivation. You don't need perfect English to introduce yourself. You need practice and courage. Start small. Speak daily. And be proud of your English journey. Thank you for listening to Easy English. I'm Sarah. See you in the next episode.